Imagine this. You have spent months dreaming of your cruise vacation. You can almost feel the warm sun on your skin and the gentle sway of the ship. You arrive at the port, full of excitement, only to realize your passport is sitting on your kitchen counter. Or you get to your cabin, ready to hit the pool, but your main suitcase, with your swimsuit inside, will not arrive for hours. Your carry-on bag is more than just a place for your book and snacks. It is your lifeline for the first day of your cruise. You will hand over your large suitcases to porters, and they can take several hours to arrive at your cabin. Everything you need to start your vacation immediately should be in the bag you carry on board. First and foremost, passport or government-issued ID, your cruise boarding pass, any necessary visa paperwork, and luggage tags. Keep digital copies on your phone or email as a backup. Pack prescription medications in your carry-on, in original bottles. Never in checked bags in case they are delayed or lost. Plan to hit the pool or Lido deck buffet? Pack a swimsuit, a cover-up, and flip-flops right in your carry-on. Also include a change for the evening, a simple sundress or shorts and a polo, so you are ready for dinner no matter when your suitcase arrives. Round out your carry-on with travel-sized toiletries, toothbrush, toothpaste, sunscreen, and any makeup you need, plus your phone, charger, and a portable power bank since outlets can be scarce before your cabin is ready. Add a reusable water bottle, a pen for forms, a good book, or headphones. Your carry-on is your key to a seamless start. Now let us tackle the main suitcase. The secret is not to bring your entire wardrobe. Choose versatile pieces you can mix and match. Start by checking your itinerary, sea days, ports, weather, and your cruise line's dress code. For daytime wear, think light and comfortable. Shorts, capris, lightweight trousers, t-shirts, tank tops, and polo shirts. Pack a light jacket, a cardigan, and a pashmina for chilly theaters or dining rooms. Bring comfortable walking shoes for excursions, sandals or flip-flops for the pool, and slightly dressier shoes for evenings. For casual nights, a sundress, or a nice top with pants or a skirt. For men, a collared shirt with chinos works well. You do not need a ball gown or tuxedo unless you want to. 1 or 2 outfits that make you feel great. Cocktail dress, dressy jumpsuit, blouse and skirt. Men can pack a suit or sport coat with slacks. I swear by packing cubes. Shirts in one, swimwear in another, underwear in a third. Roll your clothes to save space and reduce wrinkles. Place heavier items like shoes by the wheels for balance. With a plan, your suitcase stays tidy and efficient. A cruise is your ticket to beautiful waters and sun-drenched beaches, so pack the right gear. Your swimwear is the star. Pack at least 2 so one can dry while you wear the other. No damp, cold suits. A stylish cover-up lets you go from pool to lunch, or through the ship, without feeling underdressed. Sun protection is critical. The water intensifies UV. Pack a high SPF, broad-spectrum sunscreen. Do not forget this. Choose reef-safe sunscreen. Formulas without oxybenzone and octinoxate to protect marine life. Bring a wide-brimmed hat, UV-blocking sunglasses, and SPF lip balm. Pack a foldable tote for towel, sunscreen, a book, phone, and your room key. Some lines provide towels ashore. If not, a quick dry travel towel is perfect. A waterproof phone pouch is wise. If you love snorkeling, consider your own mask and snorkel. Check cruise policy first. Water shoes help on rocky beaches or climbs like Dunn's River Falls. Small additions, big comfort. Ships have medical centers, but it is smarter and cheaper to bring your own remedies for common issues. Pack daily prescriptions, enough for the trip plus a few extra days, in original containers with a copy of your prescription. Modern ships are stable, but rough seas happen. Be prepared. Over-the-counter patches, wristbands, pills like Dramamine or Bonine. If you are prone, take them before you feel unwell. Include ibuprofen, acetaminophen, antihistamines, hydrocortisone cream, adhesive bandages, antiseptic wipes, antibiotic ointment, aloe for sunburn, and antacids. Travel-sized toiletries and skincare you love, hand sanitizer before buffets or after handrails, and a stain remover pen for formal night. These little items take minimal space, but make a huge difference in comfort and well-being. In today's connected world, your smartphone is your camera, navigator, and connection to home. Keep it charged. Cabins are short on outlets, often just one or two. Bring a cruise-approved, non-surge power strip with USB ports, or a multi-port USB hub. A portable power bank is a must for long days in port using photos and maps. One fully charged bank can give 1 or 2 recharges. Pack charging cables for your phone, camera, e-reader, and headphones. Keep them in a small organizer pouch. Consider a dedicated camera for higher quality photos. Waterproof action cams shine for snorkeling or water slides. Bring extra memory cards and batteries. For balcony or pool time, headphones for music, podcasts, or audiobooks. An e-reader brings a whole library. Download your content at home. Ship Wi-Fi can be slow and expensive. These simple tech items keep you powered, entertained, and ready to capture every wonderful cruise moment. Knowing what not to pack is just as crucial. Prohibited items lead to confiscation, or worse. Top of the do not pack list: fire hazards, clothing irons, travel steamers, hot plates, coffee makers, candles, and incense. Your cabin steward can handle laundry and pressing, and ships provide hair dryers. Leave heat appliances at home. Weapons and illegal substances are strictly forbidden, including small pocket knives, pepper spray, and large scissors. They will be confiscated. Illegal drugs can mean disembarkation and prosecution. When in doubt, leave it behind. Many lines allow limited wine or champagne, usually 1 or 2 bottles per cabin, but hard liquor is almost always prohibited. Unauthorized alcohol is held until disembarkation. Soda and water rules vary. Some allow a small case, others do not. Always check your line's beverage policy online. Think practicality and space. Cabins are cozy. Leave bulky items and too many shoes. 3 or 4 versatile pairs are enough. Do not bring beach towels. Ships provide them. Leave expensive jewelry and irreplaceable valuables at home. Cabin safes are small. Cruise cabin walls and doors are metal, perfect for organization. Bring strong magnetic hooks. Hang hats, lanyards, light jackets, or tote bags to free counter space. An over-the-door shoe organizer holds shoes, toiletries, sunscreen, hairbrushes, and small bathroom items. Visible, organized, accessible. Cabins can be pitch black, great for sleep, tricky at night. A small plug-in nightlight helps. Light sleepers, use a portable white noise machine or a phone app. A small portable fan can be a lifesaver if you run warm. Cabin thermostats can be finicky. A pop-up laundry hamper keeps dirty clothes contained and makes packing home easier. Clothespins clip wet swimsuits to your balcony chair and keep towels secure on windy days. These little touches make your cabin feel more functional and comfortable. Explore the ship on embarkation day. While others rush to the buffet, take a leisurely walk to learn the decks. Locate dining rooms, hidden lounges, spa, and fitness center. Discover a secluded aft deck that becomes your sunset spot. Check daily schedules in the cruise app. Highlight shows, activities, and dining. Book specialty dining and popular shows early, but do not overschedule. Save money with freebies, main dining rooms, buffet, water, iced tea, spectacular theater shows, live music, and most poolside activities are included. Set a budget for extras like alcoholic beverages, specialty coffee, and shore excursions, and stick to it. Leave room for serendipity. Join trivia. Listen to a band you stumble upon, or simply watch the ocean go by. Try a new dish. You can always order something else. Take a dance class, attend a cooking demo, try your luck at the casino, zip line, snorkel, or explore a local market. These new experiences create vibrant, lasting memories. Embrace adventure and say, yes to new opportunities. As your cruise ends, it is not the souvenirs or the money you spent that you will treasure most. It is the memories. It is the spectacular sunrise over an endless ocean with a warm cup of coffee. It is laughing with family at dinner. It is a pod of dolphins playing in the ship's wake. A well-planned trip lets you be fully present. Packing smart is the first step. Documents in order, essentials in your carry-on, a wardrobe plan to free you from stress. Create the space to relax, connect with loved ones, and soak in the beauty, without scrambling for forgotten items or logistical snags. Pack with intention, and pack an open heart. Be delighted by new flavors, sights, and friends. Take photos, then put the camera down and just be. Let the rhythm of the waves wash away your everyday cares, and be swept up in the magic of travel. Go and have the time of your life. Sail away and make memories that will warm your heart for years. If this helped, like, subscribe, and share your next cruise destination in the comments. Bon voyage!